In today's class, we learned the concept of chahiye. What is chahiye? Similar to the concept we learned in the previous classes, when you need something, or you desire or require something, in Hindi it's also considered an experience to the subject. In Hindi, the focus is more on what is needed. Okay, what is needed, right? So it's more on the object side rather than on the subject side. So it as help is needed. How do you convey is needed in Hindi? There you go, chahiye. Help chahiye. Beautiful. Try to use some other examples or other, instead of mother, say something else. Pani chahiye. Paise chahiye. Money is needed. Now, so far, so that's the loose translation, is needed. Now the question is to who? To convey to who, you have to use with the subject ko. Right? Just like we say, John ko bukhar hai, John has fever. Right? It works the similar way. John ko madad chahiye. John ko pani chahiye. John ko paise chahiye. And all it means is John needs help. Okay? John ko madad chahiye. John को पानी चाहिए. John needs water. Okay, John को पैसे चाहिए. John needs money. And you can still focus it on John, but you have to use something else instead of चाहिए. You can use the verb call. There you go. चाहना. चाहना, which appears very similar. How would you change the sentence? Beautiful. John पानी चाहता है, which means, and it's there is no ko here. Okay, it means John desires water. Right? Let's say you are stuck in a place where you're surrounded by native speakers, right? And you don't know chahiye. You would rely, your backup is imperative. Pani dijiye. Let's do some more. What if you need time? मुझे time चाहिए, मुझे वक्त चाहिए. If you need rest, मुझे आराम चाहिए. Beautiful, right? If you need information, you can say मुझे जानकारी चाहिए, right? So मुझे चार्जर चाहिए, okay? Or you need a room. मुझे कमरा चाहिए. See, you're doing it. कमरा चाहिए. मुझे कमरा चाहिए. Okay? You want to say I need your advice. That's why it's your advice. मुझे आपकी सलाह चाहिए. मुझे कलम चाहिए. Imagine. Right now, all the things we are talking about, they are singular. Time, rest, information, charger, room. What if it is plural? Instead of kamra, it is kamre. Okay? Instead of gadi, it's gadiyan, like watches. Do you think there will be any change on chahiye? So, typically, this is your case number 1, where you will use chahiye. For plural, which is the case 2, it will become nasalized, which is chahiye. However, Hindi speakers use it pretty interchangeably, right? So in the textbooks, you will see even for the plural things that are needed, this is being used, and it's considered correct. So you can use either of them. Okay, they need 2 parking spots. उन्हें 2 parking spots चाहिए. We need fresh vegetables. हमको, beautiful, right? So हमें और हमको ताजा सब्जियां चाहिए, right? Beautiful. So this was your case 2, which is basically you want to talk about plural, basically something more than once that you need. Okay. You can use chahiye with a nasalized Chandrabindu, or you can use without that. You will see both versions in the textbooks actually. Yeah. Now the natural question would be, can I do something? That's something that I needed in the past. Right? That I needed your help. मुझे आपकी help चाहिए थी. So in case number 3, you will put था, थे, or थी at the end. So take all the sentences we made in case number 1, and you will put tha, the, or thi at the end to convey that the need that existed before. मुझे charger चाहिए था. ओके, मुझे किताब चाहिए थी, ओके, मुझे दूध चाहिए था, ओके, एनी, ओके, और थोड़ी जानकारी चाहिए थी, इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए थी, राइट, सो आपके पैसे चाहिए थे, फिर व्हाट एल्स, मुझे बॉटल वाटर, राइट, सो मुझे बॉटल वाटर और बोतल का पानी चाहिए था. Wonderful. Any questions so far before we jump to case number 4?